Okay, so my name is Patrina Verdon and I graduated in a Bachelor of Science in Manufacturing Management. I attended secondary school in Ballygar in County Galway. I went on then and I did a Bachelor of Arts degree in the University in Galway. I then started working in a medical company in Galway, and I decided then to go forward and develop my skills in that area with coming to Sligo IT to do a course. So I chose this course to develop my management skills. I looked into areas of human resources, accounting, production management, so it covered all aspects of the management role that I'm currently doing in the job. It's a medical company. It's called Nordson Medical. It's a US corporation. So they make medical products to a lot of R&D and manufacturing. So I decided to do the online course because it gave me, a mix of the best work-life balance really. So I was able to do my regular, Monday to Friday job, and then in the evenings do the lectures online, at the weekends do my coursework, my studying. Then, over the holiday periods from work as well, I was able to attend to do the exams. So it just gave the best of both lives to be able, further my career and also to keep my work life going also.